Hi to my computer-aided drafting students. Welcome to Learn with Red. In today's video, we're going to learn how to draw the floor plan of the second floor of our project. Okay, so this is where we left. We left with a ground floor plan. So let's go. Okay, what we can do is drag a copy of the ground floor to the sides where we're going to draw the second floor, and the reference also to move it to the right. So there, so we can have reference for the second floor. We have to do first the stairs. Let's make a stairs layer, staircase. Then let's color it light orange. Staircase. What I can do is move it back. There. The standard stair has a width of 1 meter. Let's make the pizza pie. And then offset by 1. And this is the pizza pie. Trim. Yeah. Since we have 5 steps, so 90 degrees, use the calculator. 90 divided by 5 is 18. So let's rotate this 18 degrees. Minus 18 degrees. And then let's just mirror, mirror. And then let's mirror this one here. Okay. And then let's mirror the last step. And extend. There. It's hitting the door. Just move the door 0.1 or 4 inches, and there we can open. This is the first step. You can go inside. Let's offset by 0.25 or 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more. And there. So we need this reflected on the second floor. Okay, move this over here. So this is not anymore the door. What we need is a wall. There. 0.1. Offset by 3 meters. Let's give it. And the wall goes to the right. Okay. And then it's drywall using paring and hardiflex. So let's offset this 0.05 instead of 0.1. There. There. Okay. Offset by 0.05. There. We just chamber it here and chamber it there. And just trim it here. Okay. Let's okay, let's clean this up. Okay, that's the for the bedrooms. We need another standard door, which is 0.7 by 0.05. Okay, so that's the door. And the jump, 0.05.1. Yeah, okay. And then copy it on the other side. Oh. Swings upstairs. Right. And let's have a circle. Okay, so there. So we make a polyline of 0.7 and then an arc here. Close. Just bring it close to the guideline and remove the guideline. Make this hidden line. Okay, so let's create a block called D70 centimeters. Now we can use the 70 door. It could be a PVC door, which we can a standard width of 0.70 from Wilcon or from Ace Hardware or from Federal. Okay, so there. So this door opens to the master's bedroom. Okay. Yeah, drawing with the door. So I have to draw with it. Okay, there, and then so we change chamber here and chamber there. Okay, so there. This wall divides this into two. Okay, let's draw with the wall interior. So I make a wall interior. Then this is white. There. And correct my mistake because this one and this one are interior walls. Interior walls. Okay, there. So it's interior wall. And then okay, so let's draw with an interior wall, and I will make a vertical X line at the exact middle of this. Okay, that means there. Offset by 0.025. Enter. Okay, there and here. Let's place first one door that rotates. So I need a horizontal reference of 1 meter from the stairs. There. And then the other door opens here. Okay, let's see. Copy and rotate. Rotate. Now I can place this door here. There. Okay, so these are now the new walls, interior walls for this other room. And then there's an interior wall on this door. To this door. To this wall. And yep. There's a wall here. There's a wall here. here, here, here. Trim and there. Now we need windows. Okay, so we can have this window, for example. Okay, this extends here. Then we can have two windows side by side. One is here and the other is on the other side. Copy. Okay, and then the wall here is wall exterior. Wall exterior goes here. Okay, and the other one here. Trim. Okay, there's an error here because this one exceeds. Okay, this is not, you have to be very careful because they have to be within the line, or else we will have an error later on. Okay, and then this one. We don't need this. Right, okay. So we don't need that. Okay. We don't need this. Okay, I need this window at the other end. So I just use move and then place it in the there at the end. No, there's already that that which coincides beautifully with the sliding door. Okay, so that means there. Okay, we finished the second floor, and we can hide this already. So layer, image, hide. There. So we just finished the floor plan of the ground floor and the second floor. We're now ready to go to the next lesson, which is 3D using SketchUp and using this floor plan which we created using AutoCAD. Learn with Red. Thank you very much.